Good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning, I am going to do a walk around, start up and drive video on this 1969 Chevrolet C10 custom pickup truck. Now, this truck has been rotisserie restored. It is absolutely gorgeous in every way. Everyone that comes in the showroom, everyone that comes on the lot, and everyone that sees this truck when you're driving it tells you how gorgeous it is, and it truly is. Turquoise in color, beautiful, beautiful finish on this truck. Everything on this thing is brand new front to back. Brand new crate engine, transmission, rear end, brakes, exhaust, wheels and tires, all the stainless, all the chrome, all the bright work, all brand new on this truck. I don't think there's a single flaw in the paint that I've seen. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Power steering, power brakes, disc brakes, vintage air conditioning, heat. Just take a look underneath this hood of this truck. Inner fenders are all body color match. Firewall, bottom side of the hood, got a chrome mirror on there. This is one gorgeous truck. You can see the quality and the workmanship that went into this truck. Just all the little things on it that a lot of people miss and a lot of people don't do. This thing is really built nice. It runs great. I put about 400 miles on this truck myself. Inside, beautiful. The dash is painted just as good as the outside of the truck. It's got 536 miles on it since it's been built. When I jumped in it to drive it, I think it had 115 or 20 miles on it. So this truck is fresh. Kick panel speakers, beautiful tan leather seats, center console, padded dash. It's got a retro radio in it with kick panel speakers, vintage air controls, tilt steering column, beautiful factory style steering wheel, sun visors, top of the roof and the cab is all painted just like the rest of the truck. We do have a ton of paperwork with this truck as well. This whole file here is just full of paperwork from the build on this truck. Lots of receipts. We also have the original window sticker that's in here and the original Protecto plate. Lightly tinted glass in this truck all the way around. All that chrome, all that stainless. Brand new set of wheels and tires. Inside of the bed is no different. Flawless paint inside the bed. Look how straight that bed is on that truck. The bottom side of this truck is painted just like the top side. The bottom of the cab, the bottom of the box, everything. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. I'll show you the bottom of the truck here quick. There's the bottom of the floor pans and stuff on this truck. And the bottom of the box. The frame has all been taken apart, painted. There's nothing to hide on this truck. This thing, very, very high quality pickup. And with that quality does come the price, because this is not a cheap truck. It's not a cheap build. All the dash lights work in this truck. Horn works, wipers work. Radio works. Air conditioning blows ice cold in this pickup. LED turn signals, LED headlights. If you're looking for a beautiful C10, no sense looking any further. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kenyonauto.com. Sun's coming out a little bit now up underneath them clouds. Give you an idea how beautiful this thing is out in the sunlight. I don't think they missed much when they put this truck together. We had a car show down here last Saturday and everyone just flocked to this truck. Redoing these roads here in town, main highway here, and finally redoing them after 10 years or more of rough roads going right through the main road in town. So you hear a few bumps, that's what that is. They're redoing the stuff. Everything works in this truck. It runs great, it drives great. Just a gorgeous truck. Check out that paint. You can see the quality of this truck. Just look at the paint on the hood. No disappointments here, folks. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Again, we buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, regular inventory every day. So if you're looking for a beautiful pickup truck, don't look any further. We have a ton of trucks in stock. I probably have 15 to 20 very high quality pickup trucks in stock. Give us a call today, guys. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality collector car. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.